In this video, we will present to you the wizard, Confirm Unconfirmed documents, which can be used on POS documents. With this wizard, you can change the status of POS documents from unconfirmed to confirmed. Let's look at an example. You want to change the status on a selected POS document from unconfirmed to confirmed. To do this, you can use the wizard, Confirm Unconfirmed documents. The program will open a form, where you can select all document types, and the period in which the wizard then finds unconfirmed documents. In the lower part of the form, select the documents whose status you want to change. When you click on the Confirm button, the statuses of all selected documents will change to confirmed. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.